So as I'm sure y'all can tell, it's windy. Very windy. I've already almost had the bike wash out on me in a low mile-an-hour corner because like the tire went whoa as I was turning. That was pretty cool. Not a fan. I don't like riding in wind, especially like on the Harley. It's doable because that bike is like 800 pounds soaking wet, and this bike with me on it doesn't even reach 800 pounds. I'm like 190. This bike is 3 something. At best, we're lucky to have 500 pounds. I don't think I want to take the highway. I want to because there's normally decent stuff on the highway, but with the fucking wind like this, I'm scared to. It's like, I can already feel the bike getting blown. I know it's not that noticeable on camera because it's happened before on the Harley, but I can definitely feel it while I'm riding, and that's not bueno. Granted, every single path I'm trying to take to get to Grand Haven so I can cruise that little like strip you see in a lot of my videos is like open straightaways, so actually there is one spot I'm gonna skip up here by the airport. It's happened on the Harley too. I've almost washed out with the wind because it's an airport, you know, you're cutting through an airport, and a stiff gust of wind almost took me down on the Dyna, so I'm not gonna even risk it on this. Doing a lot of leg work here, trying to keep this thing upright, like the knees out on the left side so I can like keep her going straight. I hate this. I hate this so much. This is bullshit. Like, oh my gosh. I'm in neutral, so I can just stand here, but like, look at how much those are blowing. It's not like sideways, but look at the trees. Look at all this shit. Look at all of it. It's bullshit. Why don't you ever monetize? Have you seen how I talk on camera? That's why I never monetize. That and I don't have views. Even 10 cents a view? Yeah, whatever. More like a penny a view if I'm lucky. Get off my dick and balls, cars, please, for the love of God. If I'm going slow, there's a reason. I'm on a piss missile. If I'm going slow, I have my reasons. Please respect that. And that's how you leave a tailgater behind, babies. Got another bike. Let's look at Suzuki. It's got luggage on the back though, so it's not like a... It might be a scooter actually. No, it's a bike. It's got luggage on the back though. Ah, it's a CBR. I'm you, but bigger. It's like a little 250 or 200. So scooter size, but not scooter. I'm trying not to speed too much. That's very hard not to do on this bike. Not speed, I mean. Speeding's very easy. I just really don't appreciate when people ride my ass. I know I do that sometimes, but I'm not gonna kill somebody if they hit their brakes and I hit them. But if I hit my brakes and somebody hits me, I could very well die. Oh, I hear the 250 getting on it. Get her, bud, get her. Oh, I'd ride with them. I would definitely ride with them. I don't care what CC your bike is. I'll ride with anybody. Ah, here's a skeleton. Hell yeah. I'm trying to stick to areas that aren't way open to get down there because I don't feel like getting blown around like a rag doll. Miata. Honestly, dude, that's a fucking vibe on the skeleton. This is a big bike. Like the Harley's big, but this is also pretty sizable. Not like weight wise, but just overall, like in general size, if that makes sense. Like, oh, what the shit, they get to go before us? Dumb. Oh, rest in peace box. Ah, this wind. Stop. What the hell they got going on over there? Oh, stuffing things. Why is it so fucking bad today? Like, even in the wind, normally it's not this bad. Yet again, I could totally creep up and around, but I'm not going to. I will be a good noodle. Nice Harley. I say owning a Harley that sits at home because it needs service, and I'm too paranoid to ride it before it gets serviced. Not that I'd never ride a bike that needs to be taken care of. Looking at you, Honda. But if I'm ignorant about it, then there's bliss. But I definitely need to do that because I know where it's at. This I bought used from a buddy, friend of a friend, so hopefully it was taken care of. They are a mechanic, but I know that mechanic owned is a catch-22. Oh, I doubt y'all heard that pop over the mic, but my jaws just popped. That felt great, and simultaneously not as great as one would think. Alright, I think I'm gonna put y'all on my fairing here for a second. The amount of wind I'm getting is bullshit.